Audiophile collection includes DSD files and your regular music player skips right over them. This is the gold standard of high-resolution digital audio. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get you listening to these pristine direct stream digital recordings with the right setup. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading DSD file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. DSD files are high-resolution audio files using direct stream digital, encoding the technology behind Super Audio CD. They capture audio using single-bit pulse density modulation at extremely high sampling rates of 2.8 MHz, or higher, producing audio quality that many audiophiles consider superior to standard PCM encoding for faithful music reproduction. DSD files are high-resolution audio files using direct stream digital, encoding the technology behind Super Audio CD. They capture audio using single-bit pulse density modulation at extremely high sampling rates of 2.8 MHz, or higher, producing audio quality that many audiophiles consider superior to standard PCM encoding for faithful music reproduction. The proper file association links DSD directly to the FUBAR 2000 solution by Piotr Pawłowski. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows supports common formats for playback, though detailed waveform work needs specialized software. We're performing an initial check of the application compatibility. Right-click your DSD file and choose Open With. Test FUBAR 2000 first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a surprisingly simple fix. If your DSD file will not open yet, do not panic. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the DSD problem. First, playing in FUBAR 2000. Install FUBAR 2000 with the SACD decoder plugin component available from SourceForge. Open the DSD file and FUBAR 2000 decodes the single-bit stream for playback through your audio hardware. For native DSD output, configure your USB DAC with ASIO drivers in FUBAR 2000's output. Preferences to bypass PCM conversion entirely. Next, using JRiver Media Center. Open DSD files in JRiver Media Center, which provides comprehensive DSD playback support, including native DSD output to compatible USB DACs. JRiver handles DSF and DFF container formats with full metadata display and library management. Configure the audio output for DSD over PCM or native DSD bitstream depending on your DAC capabilities. Finally, converting to PCM formats. Use DB PowerAmp or FUBAR 2000 to convert DSD files to high-resolution PCM formats, such as 24-bit 192 kHz, FLAC, or WAV-V, for compatibility with standard music players and devices. The conversion process demodulates the single-bit stream to multi-bit PCM, while preserving the extended frequency response and dynamic range of the original DSD recording. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.